यहाँ पर है आपका लिविंग एरिया जो कि एंड इट कम्स विद दिस L shaped granite slab right over here. 13 by 10.6 is the size of this bedroom. Hello and welcome to Housey, India's only online platform जहाँ पे listing करते हैं सीधे developers, thereby giving you the bottom most price guaranteed. Unlike other real estate platforms जहाँ पे आप करते हैं एक enquiry और आपको आते हैं multiple calls from multiple brokers, Housey पे ऐसा नहीं होता है. यहाँ पे हम आपका कनेक्ट करवाते हैं सीधे डेवलपर के साथ, जिस वजह से आपको मिलते हैं वो सभी बेनिफिट्स जो पास ऑन होने चाहिए डेवलपर से आपके लिए. और भी हम हाउसी पे काफी कुछ करते हैं, लेकिन अपन आगे की बातें करते हैं चलते चलते. लेट्स गो. और मैं एकता कपूर आज आई हुई हूँ एट साहिल आई ट्रेंड पलेशियो, और चलिए देखते हैं इनका सैंपल फ्लैट अंदर से कितना खूबसूरत है. लेट्स गो. और यहाँ हम खड़े हुए हैं राइट आउटसाइड दी 1736 स्क्वायर फीट 4.5 BHK अपार्टमेंट. अंदर से they've made it so luxurious that I'm sure you're not going to believe your eyes. All you have to do is follow me so that I can show you. Entrance way, there is a security system that has been kept. That's your video door phone, and also a digital door lock right over here. This can be operated with your fingerprint, with a numeric lock, with a physical key, and also a digital key. हम घर के अंदर आएंगे इस लॉबी से, लेकिन लॉबी से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि बिफोर एंटरिंग द लॉबी यहाँ पर है आपका अटेंडेंस चेंबर, या आप कह सकते हैं सर्वेंट्स रूम. 4.5 बेडरूम, दैट इज योर 0.5 बेडरूम. लेट्स गो इनसाइड एंड टेक अ लुक. इस बेडरूम का साइज है 6.7 बाय 7.11 स्क्वायर फीट, और यहाँ पे अंदर एक अटैच्ड टॉयलेट एंड बाथ भी आता है जो कि आपके सर्वेंट्स के लिए है. उसी के साथ साथ इस रूम में आपको दी गई है ये एक विंडो फॉर वेंटिलेशन पर्पस. अब हम आते हैं दोबारा से एंट्रेंस लॉबी में. एंट्रेंस लॉबी है 6.7 by 7.11 की, which is a pretty big lobby I must say, and it brings us right over here into the living and the dining area and the kitchen as well. Now, before we proceed into the house, let me tell you कि दो bedrooms एक तरफ है, दो bedrooms एक तरफ है. Almost butterfly concept home है, but not exactly butterfly. So let's check out the house. यहाँ पर है आपका living area जो कि है 13 by 20 square feet का approximately, and this also opens up to a very beautiful balcony right over here. The balcony size is 13 by 7.10 square feet, and it comes covered from three sides and also comes with this toughened glass railing. Now if you notice, the flooring over here is of wooden finished ceramic tiles, which adds to the elegance. Let's now proceed towards the living room again and then to the dining area. Here is your dining area, which is of approximately 10.11 by 9.9 square feet, and मेरे exactly सामने है kitchen. Now this is the best part, that they've kept an open kitchen, but they have divided the living and the dining. You can see it. The tiles are also different. There is one small wall over here that separates your living and dining area and your kitchen. Now your kitchen is of approximately 8.6 by 14.5 square feet, and it comes with this L-shaped granite slab right over here and a vegetable sink at the end of it. From here, we check out the dry balcony, or the dry utility area. This comes with a utensil sink and with anti-skid tiles also. Comes with a window. It's not exactly open. It is enclosed, but the window size is so big that it feels like it is an open dry utility area. It also comes with your pre-fitted connections for your washing machines and dishwashers. Now let's go and check out the bedrooms, and by the time we are proceeding towards the bedrooms, let me also tell you a little more about Housey, the place where you can see sample flat tours, 360-degree tours, actual project location tours, and also project overview videos. Now once you've seen all of this, I'm sure you need to know the pricing, the maintenance, the possession details, the EMI details, the down payment details. Everything is available right over here. So in the captions, you can see a link. This is the link which will help you to register yourself on Housey, and then will guide you through the complete booking process. You heard me right. All of this is absolutely brokerage free. So very quickly register yourself on Housey, and now let's go and check out the bedrooms on both the sides. Let's first start with this one. Now here is the kids' bedroom. 13 by 10.6 is the size of this bedroom. It comes with an attached toilet and bath right over here, which is of approximately 4.5 by 8 square feet. And also this pretty big window over here, which is half of it is a fixed one, half of it is sliding, and it also comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net right over here. This allows in perfect ventilation and ample lighting as well. It's time to now proceed into the next room. And by the time we're walking by, also let's not miss out on the touch panels that have been provided in the house. Well, now this is a grand bedroom, which is of approximately 11 by 16 square feet is the size, and it also has a ventilated supermaster bedroom balcony, which is of approximately 11 by 5 square feet. Now this one also is covered from 3 sides and also comes with a toughened glass railing and wooden finished ceramic tiles also. Now when we entered into the room, there's one thing that I did not show you, and it was very intentional. Come towards the exit of the room, and right over here is your walk-in wardrobe and your master bathroom as well. Now the wardrobe size is of approximately 6.1 by 4.8 square feet, and the bathroom over here is of approximately 11.2 by 4.8 square feet, and it also comes with a tub. And the rest of the CP sanitary fittings are a part of the standard flat furnishings. And now we'll proceed towards the rest of the house, and do not miss out on the touch panels that are there everywhere. And this space over here has been also provided for your puja ghars. Here is the guest bathroom or the common bathroom, which is a 4.5 by 8 square feet. And right next to it is the guest bedroom, which does not come with an attached toilet and bath, but that's the reason there is one common which is right next to it. This one is of approximately 10.6 by 11.6 square feet, but it doesn't look like that. It looks way more huger than that, and the reason is this complete glass wall that they have provided right over here. Now why am I calling it a glass wall? Because half of it is fixed, half of it can be slide open, and it also comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net. So this gives the perfect view, and it also gives in perfect lighting and perfect ventilation. Now it's time to check out the final bedroom of the house, and this one over here is of 11 by 15.4 or say 16 square feet right over here, and along with this is the same window that we just saw in the previous bedroom, half of it being fixed, half of it being sliding with a pre-fitted mosquito net. Now the width of the window is so big actually that even if you are sitting over here and trying to watch outside, you actually feel like it's open and you are sitting in the open. एक मिनट, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि घर खत्म हो गया है, तो ऐसा नहीं है. इस बेडरूम का भी तो एक वॉक इन वार्डरोब है और एक अटैच्ड टॉयलेट एंड वॉश है, इसे मत भूलिएगा. And this is your walk-in wardrobe right over here, which is of 4.7 by 5.1 square feet, and this is your attached toilet and wash, which is of approximately 8 by 4.7 square feet. Now just like you, I am absolutely in love with this apartment, but you have to very quickly book your project site visit. And how do we do that? I told you earlier. 3 simple clicks on the link that's mentioned below. Book your project site visit, and I'll see you here soon. Thank you.
This was the 4.5 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project iTrend Palacio, located in Chinchwad, Pune by Sahil Properties.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.